Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to read the etc password file to dictionary. In this video, we will write a function password dict that reads from a unique style password file, such as etc password, and returns a dictionary based on it. In etc password file, each line is one user record divided into column separate fields. Let's see. I will just use a cat command to look into our etc password file. You can see the lines over here in the file. Each line is one user record and they are divided by this column. The first field, which is index 0, is the username, and the third field, which will be index 2, is the user's unique ID. For example, root has ID of 0. There are also sometimes comments in a etc password file, and the line starts with the pound sign or hash sign. We are going to ignore this line. Our function password dict should return a dictionary based on etc password, in which the dictionary keys are usernames and the values are the user ID. Let's see how to do it. I will just clear this terminal and close it and define our function password underscore dict, and it will take a file name, and now I'm going to create a list of users. This is the empty right now, and now we are going to open a file with open file name as password and then for line in password. For each line, we are going to check if not line that starts with hash sign or a new line then we are going to split that line using a column separator. That's going to be our user rec or user record, and then line dot split. And now we are going to create a dictionary's key and value by using over here by using this split method. We will get the list of strings, and we are going to add to the dictionary. That will be our dictionary over here. Users, it's gonna be users, and then we are going to pass in our user rec index 0 and then it's set its to value, and we need to convert it into int, and then user underscore record and the index 2. And now we can return our dictionary. Now we have in dictionary the username and user's unique ID, and then we are going to return our dictionary users, and now we are going to check or call our function password underscore dict and pass in our file name and get the dictionary back. And I will emit a result password underscore dict and pass in the password etc etc password file. And now I'm going to loop through this dictionary and print each key and value. Now we can use dictionaries method keys to get all the keys and pass in this key to our dictionary to print the value. Let's see how to do it. For key in result dot keys, and now we are going to use a print function to print the key. Print key and result dictionary and pass in our key to print its value. Now I'm just going to save it and run our script. And after I run my script, you can see username and their unique user IDs on the system. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.